Hello again and welcome back to my videos. A few years ago I made a video about changing the chuck on my Bosch PBD 40, which I did and was quite happy with the work and the improvement it provided, but well, I also said that if this machine would ever break down, I will buy a new one similar to this, a new PBD 40, because there are several things I like a lot about this machine. One is the easy way to change speed. I mean, you just have to rotate this knob and then the RPM will increase or decrease however you rotate it. And it also has a mechanical 2-gear gearbox, so it's quite powerful, but it turned out to be not powerful enough lately, and so I decided to change it. Not only that, but there are some issues which are not really fixable, or at least not easily fixable. One of these problems which is disturbing is that the drill head, the machine head, is actually moving quite a lot. You see, it's almost a ½ millimeter in this direction and another 0.15 in the other direction, so that's about 0.7 millimeter in just this wobbling movement, and that can't be solved anywhere in the machine because it's caused by the rack and pinion. It's in there, so I can't really do much about this. It's shaking a lot, and it does in every direction. It doesn't matter, even forward. So it's really, there is really nothing to do about this. And that may not matter for all of you who just mainly use it for wood, but I also use it for metal. And well, this is the last part I made, and this is the one I decided, the one that made me decide to change this, because while sewing this hole and drilling the holes was not a big issue, not even these two, but the recessions I tried to make caused some problems for some reason. I don't know why, but it seems like the machine didn't like it, and it started to give out some high-pitched noise. So I thought, well, it's time to move on and get a much bigger one and more powerful one. Hopefully more powerful, because the motor in this one is actually 710 watt, which is not bad, but let me remove this. $710 and that's quite nice. And the new one will actually only be 500 watt, but it will be a larger machine and more rigid, and hopefully the 500 watt will be more than enough. Anyway, this is the last video about this machine. I will not change the bearings as I plan to, because I feel like there is really no point doing it. it's not going to, this wobbling will not go away if I change the bearings, because it's not the bearings, it's the rack and pinion solution. So that's it. It's time to move on, and in my next video you will see the machine I just bought and is going to be delivered tomorrow. So thank you very much for now, and goodbye.